sorry it's been a while since I've made a video. I've been busy with all kinds of projects. Basically, guys, let me bring you up to speed on the truck camper build. We have roof rack. We got the camper shell. We got the Yakima bars. Got everything mounted. I don't have any of the mold stuff cleaned out yet. I'm working on that. If y'all know a good product to get rid of that mold, let me know. Currently got my spare tire sitting in here because today's project we were working on a swinging hitch apparatus. I know you can buy them. I'm a DIY kind of guy, so if I can build it, I'm gonna build it. We've got a Vevor diesel heater that the diesel heater. I've got a Pit Boss tailgater smoker. We got a battery bank. I'm building a box for the heater. And we got a cooler, a good sized cooler that is going to be sitting on this hitch thingamabob that I can easily remove and easily remove the camper shell whenever it comes time. We're going to be running a dual battery setup. We got a lot of stuff happening, so bear with me. I'm trying to record as much as I can along the way and show you guys. Once we are completely done, I will do a tour of it all. But we still got lights to add in the camper shell. You know, we got the carpet. We got lots of things. So stay tuned. Bear with me. I'm almost wondering if we don't just keep it tight. That way I can still have my spare tire up underneath there. I need to get a full-size spare. Let me see here. So I wonder, this right here is the apparatus that I've got. I wonder, I can make that bad boy right there. Slide in just like so. So, basically, in a nutshell, something along those lines? Maybe? I do kind of like that. Basically, this like this coming out, then this piece here is going to slide onto it. I need to get a measurement from out here to here. And we got to figure out our bearing situation. We got one of these bad boys from Rhino USA, anti-rattle. And here is our complete bearing kit and everything. It's for a spare tire rack for a DIY kit. Which we might incorporate the spare tire on this, but I don't know. I don't really like the looks of it. We will see though. See what our options are. This kit came with all the bearings, came with the plate for the spare tire. This thing has like a 2,000-pound weight rating, so not really worried about weight. And with it being up close, you know, to the truck, you know, I don't think it's gonna be a problem. So I'm gonna get this cut. All right, got her cut. 34 inches is what I found to be pretty close to. It's a little bit long, which is fine. Which, you know, I can cut it more if I need to. So, and I just cut it with a good old-fashioned Milwaukee Sawzall with the torch blades, 6 amp hour battery. So I got a cutting torch over here, but looking for clean cuts. You know what I mean? So got this. That's going to go in there like that. That's going to slide in there like so. And then with that anti-rattle hitch, it will be flat. So I like that idea. We'll square all that up. Fill all that shit there with weld. Make her look all pretty. Finishing up a project in there. Yeah. Once that's on there, that'll be level. So that'll be fun. It's crazy there's that much slop in it. You don't really think about that whenever you're just putting a regular old research in. But that's kind of where we're at right now. What size are these? 3/4. Could be old 3/4. 3/4. Yep. Grab that. Grab the old impact. Don't laugh at me. I haven't upgraded to the big Milwaukee impact yet. But however, on a different side note, this Power Torque impact from O'Reilly's came with a hard case, the charger, the batteries. Man, I tell you what, this little booger right here for $100 bill does everything I ask of it. So, food for thought. Keep that in mind. Hopefully you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. I doubt it, but hopefully you can. Let's see, this piece here is going to go. Something like that. And then like that. Figure out that's... Ow! Finger! Something like that. I am happy with that. Hopefully this anti-rattle thing does the job. Should. I don't know why it won't. But let's hope. Good. Now, according to my calculations, that is not level. Oh, wow. All right, then. That's cool. Okay. That's not level, guys. I don't like that. So, I wonder, what if I flip my anti-rattle to the side? Well, that didn't work either. What are we going to do here, guys? All right, guys. So basically, my magnet fell out. That's cool. So, okay. So basically, we'll be fine whenever I go to weld it. I need to See that play? Just pick it up, tack it real good here, tack it real good here, and that's going to be good enough for me. And hopefully with the weight, it shouldn't, because whenever it's folded up, it should sit. It's going to sit right on top of this. So the load's going to be carried all the way back to here. So I think it'll be fine. So then from that, this piece, need to blow a hole. We need to blow a hole right here because I want to recess this in so I can weld it on the bottom and on the top. And then we will cover this. And we'll cover that hole there in the middle. I think this is going to work. I think this is going to work how I want it to. Now, let me just say something here, guys. Let me just say something. I am not a metal fabricator. I can build whatever you want out of wood. Wood and me, we get along great. Metal and me, for whatever reason, I don't know. I have a hard time with it. Don't know why. Same concept, same principle, in a sense. So, I don't know. Is anybody else like that? Let me know. What's up, guys? This is kind of where we're at. Got this toolbox mocked up. It's on a swinging hitch thing that goes into my receiver hitch. I have my diesel heater inside of here. That way, whenever it is swung out, the plumbing will run directly into the side here. And also with it being swung out, I'll be able to drop my tailgate, use the deck system, the whole 9 yards. I'm planning on bedlining this thing black to match the rest of the aesthetics of the truck here. Got my Pit Boss tailgater just sitting up here for now. Everything's just kind of temporary. Trying to fine tune it, dial it in. Inside of the box, I'll have storage for some recovery gear, traction boards, farm jack, just some basic tools and whatnot. And that'll free up a lot of space inside my deck system. Let's see what else we got. We have the dual battery kit with the isolator, so that way it charges off of my truck alternator whenever the truck is running. It is, like I said, the isolator with the smart kit and everything, so my starting battery will always remain fully charged. That's just a marine deep cycle battery. We got some more things to wire in. We got a switch panel, switchboard right back here that we're going to wire in to the bed. And again, that battery and everything is mounted with the deck. So whenever it comes time, I can simply pull the camper shell off, take this thing out of my my reese hitch, and we're back to being just a normal pickup. So that's kind of where we're at, guys. If you got any comments, concerns about what I'm doing with this box here, if you got any ideas, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Just wanted to bring y'all up to speed. Y'all remember how I said I was going to be wiring in a panel? Couldn't find anywhere good to put it, so this is what I came up with. Look at that. Isn't that slick? everything works good. I made a little template out of some aluminum. I got USB plugs. I got USB-C. I've got 5 toggles. I've got my voltmeter for the auxiliary battery. Yeah, you know, regular cigarette style. Everything works good. So tucks away real nice and good. Ain't got to worry about tearing it up or anything like that. So cool. Let me know what y'all think.